Today is July 25th. It's soon 8 o'clock in the evening. We are filming volcanic eruption here from the mountain right next to the volcano. There you see it. That's how it looks today. It started to rain again. It's been raining a lot today. It was a very tough hike to get here because of the rain. But we made it. See, there are two distinct winds that are shooting lava. The one to the left sometimes is shooting very high jets, but usually it stays like this. But once in between, it starts working like and shooting jets of maybe 100 meters height. So it's double the volcano, double twinkle, like two sisters. And that's where most people walk. They walk here on this mount. You see, there are some cars there. The Volcano shuttle bus bringing people here non-stop. You see, there is a Volcano shuttle which is driving people from the parking lot to here. I don't know how much it costs, but it's operated by Reykjavik Excursions, Icelandia company. And this is Sundhnukur Giga crater. Oh, this is crater from July, I think. Yeah, it was from last summer, the biggest one. That's where you see this pole, this antenna. It's more or less Blue Lagoon is in that area. Yeah, Blue Lagoon is right behind it, somewhere there. And though this is all this line with the steaming, it's called Sundhnukur crater. This is cone from last November. We had eruption activity here in November, December. And this is current eruption. Some people walk here, not everybody, but some make it to the skin. See a lot of steaming because it's wet, it's humid, so it's all steaming all over. See, it's a lot of steaming activity, and that's how it looks today. A lot of rain. It was okay when I started walking. You will see the trail. I will upload all the videos soon. And we had some tornadoes here. Tornado activity, like blackish smoke going in circles here. Stop. We had lightnings here and thunder, but now it's improved. You can even see the sun. But overall, it's a lot of blackish clouds here. There you see blue skies. Here you see some hot lava. It's kind of spilling on the top of already cooled lava. This is hot lava, you see it? It's very soon it will turn black, but it's kind of close where the people are. You see it? Now some people don't walk all the way here. Some people walk only to that mount. You see it's right next to the road. We walk by this trail here. You see the road? Like some hikers are visible there. Yeah, it's about 1 hour hike, maybe more, maybe 6 kilometers one way, something like that. Well, there are some mounts here where people see the volcano. You don't have that great view as I have from there, but you will see also my videos from that point as well. I made some videos from there. This mount is called Sundhnukur, or Little Sundhnukur, something like Sand Mountain, which became an island. You see it got flooded by the lava from all the sides. Kind of strange. An island mountain. Yeah, I can't see where the lava is going. It's very hard to say because it's it's over there. At least it's a huge area which lava flooded. Unfortunately, I can't fly the drone today because of the rain. It's still raining. I've been waiting now for 1 hour to launch the drone, and the rain doesn't stop, so I just have to give up on the idea of flying throttle. I actually started, but then it was hit by the rain, so I came back. It was not possible. But now we have an idea of what is happening here. Today on July 20th. Okay, now we have jets. July 25th. Two distinct winds erupting. I can't take a look from the top because of rain. Maybe tomorrow or the day after tomorrow is likely to last some days more, definitely. I give it 3 weeks at least, like Little Router. It's actually not that far from Little Router. We had a Little Router eruption in that area. It's lasted 3 weeks, so yeah. And this thing erupted for 3 weeks as well, but it's a smaller cone. But it erupted 3 weeks, so it might last the same like this, 3 weeks. I suspect so. But this volcano, this cone, it lasted almost, I don't remember, 2.5 months or something like that. Close to the lagoon last summer, you remember? This one lasted almost 3 months. 2.5, at least 2 months. So, I don't know, I don't want to tell you to come to Iceland, but most likely come not longer than 3 weeks, maybe even 2 weeks. Something like that. But for today, you can see it. Like 10 days later or something. I was in France, but now I'm back in Iceland. It's my first time here. That's what you see. The best. Start. Filming with iPhone 16. I can't turn the camera because there is no feature in this phone. Yes, I can do this. And the lava is visible in the river. You see it's going in the river there. From the crater, it has an output and it's going. Yeah, this is not lava. The east. There's it. Oops, rain. Too much rain. All the best.